Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows is crashing after update and is unable to boot, then here's what we have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and then select update history, and then it will show an option called uninstall updates. Click on it, wait for it to load, click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again till it uninstalls the update. Okay, once the update is installed, check if you still face the issue. If you do, then perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.